I stopped her for violation of the pedestrian walk signal when she walked in front of me. I'm arresting her because when I was talking to her about the violation, she tried to walk away.
Okay. I didn't know that's what this was about.
That's what we call obstruction of justice.
It's not fucking justice.
Demanding accountability and defending your rights against the police specifically, and the government generally, are difficult and dangerous tasks. Your right to watch the government and record what you see is a natural right that is protected by the Constitution, and it cannot be taken away by the government.
About a month ago, I did a story on a jaywalker in Spokane that was also arrested for obstruction of a law enforcement officer, or justice, as you just heard order follower Maplethorpe of the Spokane PD put it. I say enforcement officer because that is the actual name of the statute. As much as these con men would love us to believe it is obstruction of justice, it's not. For this video, I'm going to use all three to highlight just how many other free people get away with violating a pedestrian walk signal without being detained or cited. Pay attention to these people violating the signal, and leave me a comment about why you think they weren't stopped while this homeless person was not only stopped but taken to jail after being arrested for obstruction of a law enforcement officer. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with everyone you know. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and click the bell so you know right away when I've uploaded a new video, do it now.
You're violent. You are twisting my arms.
You are under arrest.
Well, too bad. Too bad. I'm under arrest. It's not going to get worse, so I'm not going to do what you say.
So now you're obstructing.
It's not obstructing. You're being violent. You're being...
But the more you're getting cooperating as far as providing your identity, otherwise, what do you know that?
You're stealing my stuff!
We're putting the bag and inventory. Okay, like I said, they're officers searching you.
Oh, you just saw him pull up his lights on.
Dispatch. Okay. Watch this thing. There's how I know.
And she was already cuffed.
Yep.
Control of those videos?
Oh. They're brand new. You saw it.
And when you say side... It hasn't been great. Yeah.
We bought our kids on snowshoes.
Yeah.
Probably get triple to do that. So.
But that's expensive too. Because,
Is there like a park? You don't have to go to the resort.
well, so to go to Mount Spokane, park there, you need both the Discovery Pass and the Snow Park Pass. Oh yeah, no, absolutely.
Potential squawker complaint. So as far as what that security.
There's a guy on a bicycle with a trailer. I perfectly remember him going, and then when I stopped, he came back.
Right, so. Do you have a Ziploc? You want
I think I'll be alright. I can get to it now. On easy. That's true. You know what? You feel like it.
You got it.
Thanks for watching this video. It's something I haven't really done as of yet, but I really wanted to highlight how these order-following enforcers of the state pick and choose who they will detain and or arrest, not based on who's breaking the law or not. Instead, it appears they stop and question people based on the amount of benefit to the state and its prison industrial complex. These 50 other people violating the same victimless crime as the homeless person were not detained or bothered at all. Why is that? Well, of course, some will say the order followers were already dealing with this suspect. And while that may be somewhat true, there were 3 to 4 officers present almost the entire time. Most of that time, at least 2 were just waiting around. Seems to me if pedestrian interference and jaywalking were such a major issue, they could have made a lot of revenue for the city. Maybe instead it's about harassing people that don't appear to fit in. I mean, we can't have homeless people wandering around areas like malls and this, where our multinational corporate masters have set up shop to sell us the stuff we don't really need but have been programmed we do. Don't forget to check out the description for links to all the ways you can support Questionable Authority and my sources for this video. If you want to show everyone you know how much of a lover of freedom and liberty you are, think about stopping by the merchandise store and grab a shirt, a mug, or a hat. I'm working on a new design for March right now, so don't forget to check back soon. Thanks again, and remember, always record the police and enjoy dangerous freedom every day over the false security of slavery to the state. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button and share it with everyone you know. Find us on Twitter as well as censorship-free platforms like BitChute and Steemit or DTube. Of course, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to smile at someone you don't know every day.